Now I'll try to get maximum speed, but I will not push pedal fully on the first and on the second, because it will spin tires and it will jump because of ESP. I will make full throttle only on the third and fourth. Okay, let's go.